and people will be seeing someone driving an AMG. Bengihlala nomlungu. I drive a AMG.
Yeah.
A C43 or something like that, and people be like, oh wow, unemali lo muntu lo, kanti hayibo yimi ngithela petrol lapho. Ngisupporta le relationship ngoba lo muntu uvela ayeke umsebenzi nje or umsebenzi uphele nje, because my male ancestors, they're too proud to a point where sometimes it's upsetting because we want to be spoiled as women. I've been spoiled before ngumlungu, so manje ngithola lo mlungu semanje usoqedelwa umsebenzi uyaphela. Asakhona mina ngifanele ngimsupport manje abantu bangibona kwi the AMG, they're like, oh, spiritual queen, she's in the AMG kanti yimi ngigcwalisa ama petrol lapho, yimi ngithenga igrocery. I remember I was charging 10 rand, but in a month I could make 10,000 rand.
From the 10 rands?
From the 10 rands. Because people, when I'm on TikTok, I'm reading someone is calling on the side. When I drop the other call, I'm taking the other call to a point where some were not putting 10 rand, they will put 20 rand. My airtime were like over 500 because some of them were putting airtime now. It was crazy. Like I've been busy from day one. Amadlozi wami anemali. Amadlozi wasemanzini anemali. If we were sebenzela abantu bazothi uthwele at the end, because idlozi lasemanzini liyavula mawulisebenzela.